I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. In this segment, what I wanted to do is go over the continent of Africa. If you look at the regions and the number of people, then there's four times as many people within Africa than is in the United States. Perhaps as many as people that are in North America, in fact. All the way from Panama up north to the US, and Canada is North America. Anyway, so I digress there. Here's a map of all of the countries within Africa, and I took on the task of going one by one to understand what is going on within the continent and looking at the countries in here. So basically, the first row of countries I've gone over already. Now, in the second row, Mauritania, Mali, I've not gotten through this, but we'll be going over soon in the next couple of days. What are the capitals of these cities of these countries? Well, quite a few capitals in here, and let me go back. Let me go to the second map in here. So here's the map of all of the capitals. Now, for me, I know all the capitals for North America and England and some of the other high income countries, but my ignorance and many people don't understand and the politics that's going on, or what types of what are the capitals. So for Libya, Tripoli is the capital. For Egypt, Cairo is the capital. And then Tunisia is Tunis. Algeria, and I'm not going to read out all of these, but Algiers is Algeria. Morocco is Babet, and so on and so forth. So you can kind of go over and pause the video and take a look at these capitals. So then what they do, and this is really interesting, is that they go into the East African countries and list them out and take out the shapes of each of the countries and see where each one of them are. Um, so then Middle Africa, here's Middle Africa, Congo, Cameroon, Angola, DRC. So some of these I've covered, like DRC, I covered Democratic Republic of Congo. Northern Africa, Egypt, Algeria, Libya, Morocco, Sudan map. Tunisia, Southern Africa, Botswana, Lesotho, Namibia, South Africa map. And some of these are landlocked, doesn't have any access to the ocean. And so Southern Africa, I already went over. Western Africa is Benin, Burkina Faso, which I went over already, Cape Verde, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Ivory Coast, Guinea-Bissau, Liberia. And I'm not going to read all of these, but you can pause the video and take a look. And then the description is there. Alphabetize the country and then the description. So that's about it in this page. I want you to go ahead and visit this. The maps are free, so if you want to download the maps, then that would be great. And so I don't want to go into too much, but here's the topography and the vegetation of Africa. There's a blank map which allows you to kind of fill in the gaps, and then there's another map of Africa. So geospatially, this was really interesting. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.